Let's continue from the previous lecture. So firstly, we don't require all this code right now, so let's just go ahead and let's divide this code. We'll just write here our variable name and convention from the previous video. So we'll just select all this code here. Just go ahead and do this /star, and after done with this, we'll write code true console.log true. Okay, once if we reload, we are getting the value true. Okay, and we can also write this in the alternative way. Let JavaScript is fun, and we'll set this value to true. Okay, for your better understanding. Let's go ahead and call this out. Console.log JavaScript is fun. Let's just call it out. See, we are getting true, and we'll remove this case for better understanding. Okay, here we have assigned in the let variable here for this JavaScript, we have assigned the value true. For this variable we have assigned true. Okay, let's just write some more code. Console.log type of, I'll let you know what is about, don't worry about it. Let's just go ahead and copy paste this multiple times. So here we'll change it to some random number 32 like, and here we'll change to name. Okay, here we'll change to type. Here we'll remove the last line of code, and now we'll save this file. Okay, yeah, see, you have got here the values. I'll explain you. And here first we have written JavaScript equal to true. For that we got here the true, which we have set this variable as true in this console, which is a type of, it is an operator here. So type of basically tells us what is this true. So here type of true, here 35 line C, here it is a boolean operator. So what is a boolean operator? Basically it is a logical type that can only be either true or false. So next let's come to this number. So we have declared here 32. So basically it is a numerical value. So we are declaring the type of this value here. So the value which is numerical, so it declares number. Same as here we have given true, so it gives boolean. So next let's go to this type of name we have given in the quotations closed. So we are giving in the string format. So we declared string. So once again it got declared here same as true, because true and here JavaScript is fun, and these both are same value. So let's just go ahead and turn this off for better understanding. Let's save it and let's reload. Yeah, you got it right. True, number, string and boolean values. So with that we are done with the three major parts of data type. One more example here. Let's write year 1990. Okay, and we'll get this output console.log year, and we'll declare the type of year so that we'll get a clarity here. So let's go ahead and save and let's just run. So here we have declared the number and we are calling it out, so it gives number here. Okay, so let's have one more example. Let's write JavaScript equals to yes, and let's go ahead and call it out. Console.log, and here we'll declare the type of the file thing, and then we'll declare JavaScript is fine. Okay, with that we are calling it out here. So you see here it is giving out the string because we have given initially JavaScript is true, and here again we have changed JavaScript is yes, so it is overlapping the true into s here. So here we have given a value here, and here we have changed this to string. From true value it got reassigned to string here by declaring yes. So when we declare the output JavaScript, so here the JavaScript is since string, so our output will be here string. Instead of this true, we are getting this as a string. Okay, once if we have given here example 23, let's go ahead and save. See here it got changed into number. So basically initially we have given one value, later it is overwriting that previous value with this numeric number here. So we are getting the output number here. Let's go ahead and see an example for undefined. So let me write here let age equals let's set let age. Okay, let's go ahead and call it out console.log, and we'll call out this age here. Okay, and we'll go ahead and see here. Yeah, here we got undefined, right? Yeah, done. And we'll also see the type of data. See here the type of data is also undefined. So basically undefined, it means the value taken by a variable that is not yet defined. So basically age here the value is empty value, so it is an undefined, so it declares undefined. Okay, so let me show you a type of error which we faces in this type of situation. So let's go ahead and write console.log, and we'll write the type of function, and here we'll write null. Okay, let's save it and let's declare it. See here we have got object because this is an error, or you can say bug in the JavaScript file, because here this null value is a data type actually which is undefined here. So when it is an undefined, it gives us then like output as object here in this case. When so in this functions you should never call it out a null here. So basically in the JavaScript they haven't declared a function for this, so null is an empty value, so it gives us the output as object here. So that's it for this lecture, and I'll see you in the next one.